So if you are somebody that's in or looking to get into an outdoor power tool brand that is battery operated, you might have heard of the Milwaukee Tool outdoor power equipment. Some people know them as Milwaukee IA. Now, going on this very second in Louisville, Kentucky is the Equip Expo, and that's where all of the outdoor tool companies get together and show the world their latest and greatest gadgets. Milwaukee has really been pushing out a lot of outdoor power tools within the past couple years. Some of them have been very good, some of them have not been. I do want to let you know, though, I have a whole bunch of information for some of the tools I already showed you during the pipeline event and one that you have never seen before. I got a tool here today that you have never seen before. So let's just get into it. What do we got going on? Well, this is what we got going on. Now, a couple of these you've already seen during the Milwaukee pipeline event, but I have a little bit more information. I'll expand on the information for those tools, and then I'll drop in the new one somewhere in this video here. But this is the new 20-inch Bat Ray chainsaw. November 2024 is the release date, so next month. It's October now. It's equivalent to a 70cc gas chainsaw, 4.4 horsepower or peak mode with 5.8 horsepower. All right, so here's a little bit more information for you. Again, I do believe you can buy this now. Link in the description below. You got the peak power mode, bar length 20 inches. I do want to let you know, tool only, you're looking at 15.1 pounds, but with two Forge 8.0s, you're looking at 20 pounds, so just under 20 pounds at 19.9. Now, the kit, you're going to get the rapid charger, I believe. You're going to get two 8.0s, and you get the chainsaw at $899 for this. Now, I do want to let you know that I've never been a huge fan of the dual battery system. I wasn't a fan when Makita started doing it, and I'm still not a fan. It makes the tools a little bit bulkier, heavier, and, well, you need two of the batteries to run them. But here's a top view of that chainsaw. Let's continue. I got a couple more here. So this is what you're going to get in the kit. So you're going to get a dual bay charger, which is nice that they threw that in there instead of having to charge one at a time, because I'm guessing this is going to be a 36 volt. It's going to use two of these batteries at the exact same time to power this monster. Look at those claws. Look pretty real nice-like indeed. A couple more pictures here. And I do want to let you know, yes, it did perform very well. Better than the chainsaw that they have out right now. So this is geared for the pro market. Next one's up. We're going to go pretty quick through this and we'll get to the new release. This is the new Quik-Lok system. I believe this is like $200 for the Quik-Lok, which is on par with the previous model. So it's not like they jacked the prices up real high on the new model just because it was new. I do remember them being slimmer, more powerful than the previous model, and a little smoother when it comes to operation. So it has more power than a 31cc gas, allowing user the capability to take on a variety of demanding applications. So that's that. They're going to have new heads on here, and this is the string trimmer Quik-Lok. Same thing, 31cc gas string trimmer, all like I said. You're going to have all the attachments. You can buy them in the kit. You can buy it by itself. Launch date is going to be November 2024. This is the pole saw. You got the string trimmer, pole saw, and you're going to have other attachments. So this is just the string trimmer here, not the Quik-Lok system, November 2024, and still 31cc gas. So this is going to be probably a little bit cheaper than the Quik-Lok system, but the Quik-Lok, you can attach different heads, and I like that system. I think that's the way to go instead of buying individual tools. And now you also have the short pole Hedge trimmer, 20 inch, and 1 inch branches you can cut. Next down here is the 24 and 30 inch. These are going to be available in December 2024. And yeah, okay. And then this one here was pretty cool. You know, you could adjust the head and everything like this. This is the pole articulating hedge trimmer and M18 Fuel extended pole hedge trimmer. So blah, 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 blah. And then you also have a dedicated edger. Now, what's nice about the Quik-Lok system is that you can buy the edger attachments and throw that in there, and then you can change it out and just put in your string trimmer, your pole saw, or whatever. This is a dedicated edger. So if that's something you want, I don't know why you wouldn't just go with Quik-Lok. Maybe it's because it's a little bit more money. You don't need all that stuff. I don't know. I guess that's up to you. They do have a new switch tank. This is a 4-gallon backpack sprayer. And this is going to be 140 PSI and 35-foot spray distance. The 5-mode flow rate knob adjusts the flow. 0.1, 1.52 gallons per minute. And this right here was pretty cool. It's power manager, 15 amp and 20 amp, available Q1 2025. So it's a lot of power if you need it, and you just plug that in and you're ready to charge. We also talked about the new Ford batteries. We did tests on that. I'll leave that at the end of this video here. So let me show you the new thing that they have coming out. Oh, this right here, I forgot about this. The six bay daisy chain rapid charger. This was pretty cool. So if you're somebody that's looking to get into all of these, you know, cordless tools, this might be something that you're looking for your van, your truck, whatever. This is the new supercharger. Works pretty freaking good. Keeps those batteries cool. And this is your rapid charger for the MX Fuel line. So let me show you the new bad boy on the market when it comes to Milwaukee IA. And this here, I can't imagine it being cheap, but it might be something you need. A lot of these communities, I'm just letting you know, they're making people go gasless. They're making people go electric only. You got HOAs that are really just hammering people for being too loud. You know, they don't want to hear the blowers in the morning, which, okay. And then you got just all kind of people just going after the gas stuff. They don't want them. So the electric stuff, this is where it's coming out. And people are having choices now which way they want to go, which brand they want to go. This is the new higher blowing force and up to a 65 cc gas blower. This is the new backpack blower from Milwaukee. Now you might be saying, well, this is not new. This came out a couple years ago. No, that was the M18. This is the new MX Fuel. This is the larger battery platform. It's adaptive performance, more comfort, 20 minutes plus constant power per charge. So 20 minutes doesn't sound like a long time. You know, it's just not. For any brand, like a lot of these brands, like you got max power, it's just not a lot of time to run. So, you know, I'm curious, you know, are people looking to get into this? You have to get into the battery packs, you know, for your outdoor power equipment. But this is what it looks like. So you're going to have this back area here where the MX Fuel goes in. Remember, that's the larger battery. It's not the M18. You're going to have your digital switches over here. Let's go to another picture. This is with, that's with it in. Let me see if I can drag this down a little bit. Come on, man. Let me drag, there you go. So that's going to be the larger backpack here. And then let's scroll this guy over here. And he's just doing his thing. So I haven't used this. First time I've ever seen it. Probably the first time you've ever seen it. I think it was just announced at the Equip event today, and we got some information on it. So I'll leave in the description below the links of what I can find if they're available now. Let me know what you think about this stuff. I also have the new Milwaukee heated jacket, the M12 heated jacket review coming out tomorrow in the afternoon sometime. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash it. Check out this video for the pipeline event right here. And we'll be back with more videos soon.